Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a hoverboard. But there's a funny panda on the hoverboard. So I'm drawing the panda at the beginning. Can you see? I'm not drawing straight lines to draw this. I'm doing it in a shaky hand. The panda has his sunglasses. Here's his teeth and big mouth. It seems like he's chilling. Let's draw its tongue. I will color black inside its mouth. Here its jawline and big fatty face. Let's draw its nose. I'm coloring it with black again. What should I do now? Okay, let's draw its eyes. Now it's looking like panda. I'm coloring its ear with black. Yes, here's the other ear. Now it's time to draw the hoverboard. It's the cover of the wheel of the hoverboard. And now here's the wheel. Let's draw another cover and the wheel. Here's the smoke of dust. My drawing is done, and now let's do the coloring. I'm using my black marker for this. Now I'm using my red highlighter. And now I'm using cyan highlighter. This is how you can draw a funny panda on a hoverboard within a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.